Hey, my name is Asif and you are watching HVTs. This is the second episode of how to use Adobe Illustrator. As I told you, I am using Adobe Illustrator 5 and you can see the icon on the screen. So let's get started. This is the main screen of the software. In order to work on the software, you have to click on this file button. This is a drop down button. And click on this new button. You can change the name of the project you are working on. So let's make it to the tutorial. So you can change the width and height of the page as you like. Now there are the units. I prefer you to make it to the pixels. Click OK. Now you can see a white blank page. This is the actual workplace. There you can see selection tool and a drag selection tool. We will talk about them later in this video. This is the rectangle tool. You have to click on this and the shortcut key of this is M. You can simply press M to select the rectangle tool. As we can see, when the selection tool was selected, it was dark in the color, and when I pressed M, it selected the rectangle tool. Let's make a rectangle. This is a rectangle we made and you have to change its color. Look at it. There we made a rectangle. Select the selection tool. Its shortcut key is V. So I will not press the selection tool by my mouse. I will simply press the V button. So this is when I pressed V, the selection tool selected. You can move this rectangle from here to here, anywhere you want. You can make a duplicate of this rectangle by pressing Alt and drag it from here. Yes, this is the duplicate we made. So we have two rectangles now. Now if you want to change its color, you can simply go there and press this yellow color or any color you want to do. Now we will make a duplicate of this rectangle again. Press Alt and drag it from here to here. Now we have three rectangles. Now we will use this magic wand tool. The purpose of this magic wand tool is to select a specific color on the page, and it doesn't matter how many rectangles are there in the page. It will just select this green color, and you can see the second rectangle is also selected. So this is the purpose of this magic wand tool. Now there we have this pen tool, and the purpose of this tool is to make designs on the pages like this. You have to grab this point and this point. This is the purpose of this pen tool. Okay, let's undo this thing. This is a text type tool. You can write anything on the page like tutorial, and you can select it by this selection tool. You can see there are many dots around this thing. Make it bigger. You have to right click on it, click on this size and make it to the 7 pt. In order to change the font of this text, you have to click on this T button, text type. If you want to change the font, you have to double click on this text. As you can see, it make it black. Go to font and change it. Right, I changed it to stencil std bold. Now there we change the font of this text. We will change its color too. You have to press the shortcut key of the text type tool. The shortcut key of the text type tool is T. Now you can see the cursor changes to this writing thing. Double click on this. Now click on this yellow color. As you can see, the text is changed into yellow color. So this is the line segment tool. Line segment tool is used to make lines on the page, and the color of this line is white. You have to change its color to black in order to see it clearly. You can see I made a black line on the page. This is a paintbrush tool. Paintbrush tool is used to draw something on the page like this. You can draw a sign of somebody like this. I drew a sign of myself. That's all for today. We will talk about every tool in the next video. So stay tuned, like and subscribe to our channel.